The continuous increase in the potential risks arising from solid waste and a rapid decrease in natural resources reveals the fact that these waste products must be managed and recycled if possible. İstaç started its operations in 1994 as an affiliate of the Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality. The company is focused on protecting our natural resources through effective waste management via long-term designs and careful future projections. Operating one of the largest recovery and compost facilities in the world, İstaç uses and recycles organic waste within the municipality of Istanbul. Municipal waste collected from the parks and gardens throughout the city and organic waste collected throughout Istanbul are brought to our facility where they are divided. Materials less than 80 millimeters in size, containing high organic content, are conveyed to the fermentation unit for the production of compost, while materials greater than 80 millimeters in size are recycled. Organic waste designated for the fermentation line is fed into the fermentation unit after being processed by a magnetic separator. The fermentation unit has 8 fermentation areas. 5 areas are for passive fermentation and 3 areas are for active fermentation. Organic waste products are held for 1 week in a climate-controlled environment, maintaining specific temperature and humidity levels. It is then transferred to the compost area, where the compost is produced at the end of 8 weeks. The compost is then sieved through a 15mm screen and placed in storage. The final product is used in landscaping efforts in various parks and gardens throughout Istanbul. In order to achieve optimal levels of bacteria, fungi, and various other microorganisms in the compost, careful maintenance of several parameters, including the carbon-nitrogen ratio, temperature, ventilation, water, and pH levels, is vital. The polluted air, which is produced during the composting process, is filtered through biofilters and released into the atmosphere. Leachate is collected in a tank and transferred to a leachate treatment facility. In order to minimize the damage to the environment, any materials that can be recycled are conveyed after separation to a recycling facility. In this separation unit, recyclable wastes such as plastic, aluminum, metal, and glass are classified, treated, and recycled. Granules are obtained from recyclable polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene wastes and are used in the production of products such as and flower pot. PET flake production is carried out from PET-type waste products and included into the reproduction cycle for use in producing fiberglass. İstaç carries out refuse-derived fuel production, RDF, using plastic bags, nylon and textile waste products, which cannot be recycled or transferred to sanitary landfills. Waste products received at the RDF unit are crushed in the primary crusher into 250mm sized pieces, and then the metal-derived materials are separated with a metal separator. The remaining materials are subjected to ballistic and eddy current separators. They are then combined with rough compost greater than 15mm in size and passed through the fine crusher, producing RDF. RDF is used as an alternative to fossil-based fuels such as petroleum coke used in the cement industry. This helps to reduce dependency on foreign energy resources and contributes in protecting the environment. Another waste mechanical biological pretreatment facility for treatment of municipal waste was established in Kömürçüada on the Asian side of Istanbul in 2012. Recyclable materials such as plastic, aluminum, metal, and glass, etc., are treated in the facility and returned to the economy, while organic waste is converted into alternative fuel through the bio-drying process for use in the cement industry. At this facility, the biggest in Europe, with a 2,000 ton per day waste treatment capacity, 30% of the municipal waste is recycled, while the amount of waste transferred to the sanitary landfill is reduced by 60%. With an innovative and dynamic staff devoted to the environment, İstaç offers its technical knowledge and infrastructure to provide results-oriented solutions for local administrations throughout Turkey and the world. We are providing sustainable solutions for environmental quality for both our customers today and for generations to come. İstaç, we protect your environment.